Hey guys, Justin here with more Tiny Troopers 2 Special Ops gameplay walkthrough. This time we're on to Blizzard Mission 2, Lights Out. This mission we have to destroy all of the buildings, and our secondary objective is to destroy 2 tanks. That's why we'll be bringing the Airborne Specialist this time, because there are tons of things we need to destroy, not like last time we just buy some stuff. This time we need to buy a lot if we don't purchase the Airborne Specialist. This time we're going to purchase the intel here with 3 missiles and 1 airstrike. Pick up that grenade and there will be 3 enemies rushing over to attack us. They're white enemies, so let's really be careful. There are some free points if I go up this way. Be careful with the mines. We can get one of the enemies to get into the mines for us. Now just let that guy to kill himself, and we can head up here. These are free points. They're not really necessary, but they are useful to clear out, because later on they might attack from behind. And we're gonna head back down this way. There are the 2 tanks, which is on the right hand side over there. Take that speed boost. But we're not gonna stop here. We're gonna keep walking. There is an airstrike spotter guy right here, so we're gonna kill him quickly. Take out the troops. They're guarding the tanks, so that's why we need to kill the troops first. Now head in and destroy the tanks. 1 there. 2 there. And now we head down to kill off the enemies and the buildings. We'll ignore this health pack because we don't need it yet. We definitely need it after clearing out this area. There's a tons of enemies in here. Oh, but with an extra health pack, then we can definitely go and pick one up. This tower is quite annoying, so we're just going to destroy it with a rocket. We can kill that general over there. That's too much damage. Grenade guy. Let's head up here and take out this side. Another grenade enemy. And there is a quite of annoying guy up here, which is kind of off screen. So I'm just gonna throw a grenade and kill that guy. That guy's kind of off screen, so it's kind of hard to hit. We can pick up that medi pack now because of an extra health drop by the enemies. This is a little bit easier for me. White guy over there. He usually hides behind... Oh, that guy's hiding right there. Tower. This one we can just move and shoot. No need to use a rocket on that. There will be enemies down here. And the green enemy. Here's where we're going to use our airstrike. We're going to drop the airstrike right on top of the... in between the 2 guard towers. Bunker here. We're going to kill it. While we have a 4x multiplier, we're just going to go ahead and kill these 2 guys. And run through, pick up all of the dot tags. There is a barracks up top. We'll be destroying that later on, but first kill these 3 guys. Grenade guy right there. Okay, that grenade just helped me kill that guy. Head up here. There is 1 building down here that we need to kill. Grenade guy this way, so let's kill him. Pick up the dot tags, free points. Kind of off screen, but that's totally fine. Head to the right here. Check the map. You can see there's a radar at the bottom here. But there are a lot of enemies on the left side, so we're just going to go to the right side, which is less enemies to kill and is easy to deal with. So we'll kill these 2 guys. And we're just going to throw a grenade over there. Boom! And that's straightforward. Very easy to deal with. Just go up now to the barracks. And it's again another very easy area to deal with up there. There is a sniper on the hill here. Got the sniper. Those guys we can rocket. These guys are very easy to deal with. All you need to do is lower them into the gate, and you can rocket everything. Run in, destroy the barracks. That's everything killed, and we head over to the extraction point. Which is where we started. That's how you beat Mission 2. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. And I'll see you guys next time for more Tiny Troopers 2. Peace!